Okay, so this is very similar to the one we did in class, but we've changed things a bit. So each player may take 1, 2, 3, or 4, and right there you should see this structure allows you, if you get control of the game, that you can finish off a set of 5 that your friend began to take. So you want to make it somehow to your advantage that something mod 5 is going to go on. Okay, that's what should be going on in your head. You're going to be playing this in groups of 5. Okay, so what are the rules? In this variation, your goal is to take the last chip. Okay, so for example, we're going to have to build this table all the way up to 18 or until we figure out what the trick is. If I have how many chips, and what do I do? Okay, if I see one chip, I take. This time I take it because I want to take the last chip. So for 2, 3, and 4, it's take, take, take. Take whatever's there and win. Okay? Well, what about 5 chips? Well, you're hoping that the other person is not paying attention, right? Because if you take any amount, okay, take anything, and but prepare to lose, right? Because then the other guy is going to take whatever and round off your group of 5, okay? And so then what happens? Okay, 6. What are you supposed to do if you see 6 chips? Remember, you want to take all the chips. So you want to take 1 chip, because then you're leaving the other guy with 5, and you know that 5 is a losing situation. Okay? Okay, so what is the losing situation then? It seems like, I know what it is, but I think you should. Let's do out a couple more. 7 is going to be take 2. 8 is going to be take 3. 9 is going to be take 4. And 10 is you lose. So what else is a you lose? 15, you lose, right? Because you're going to lose mod 5. Remember, 1 plus 4 is 5. It really has to do with what are your options. You have to set up the game so that you're complementing whatever the other person does. And so this is happening in groups of 5. You can only ensure that you're complementing the other person's move if this thing runs in a mod 5 situation. Okay, so if there's 16, what do? You take 1. 17, you take 2. 18, you take 3. So you offer to start the game. Now, what if there had been mod 5 sitting there? If there had been 20 or 10 or 15, in that case you offer to let your friend start, okay? And then you assure that you win, okay? So when you get these things, write out your table. Once you understand what's going on, you can skip some steps in your table and continue, or you can just say mod 0 mod 5 chips means you lose if you start, right? Otherwise, you lose if the friend starts. Okay? That's another way to express the situation. But it says fully explain what you will do at each step in order to win. So what I really want you to say, okay, so I want you to say, if a friend takes 1, take 4. If a friend takes 2, take 3. Okay. repeat until you win. There you go. And that will be plenty enough for you to write to get full credit. Okay, this would be cool, but optional. To say optional. Okay. But I would expect to I would say either give me all the stuff in that circle or give me all the stuff here in that circle. So this or this tells me that you understand what's going on with the modular arithmetic, and down here it tells me that you actually know in a practical sense what you need to do move by move. And that's enough to convince me that you actually know what you're doing in this problem. Okay?